Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript sorting arrays. Let's come in here and type script, and within a script tag I'm gonna type const fruits equals banana comma orange comma apple comma mango. And now let's come in here and console log fruits dot sort parenthesis. This array is not in order alphabetically, so this sort method simply hits save, sorts this array in alphabetical order. Just come in here and see apple, banana, mango and orange. You can also reverse the elements in array. Just come in here and type reverse, hit save, and now we see mango at the end, apple, apple, orange, orange, and here we have got first element banana, and in this array we have got banana at the end. And you can use both the methods. Say you can also sort it. Let's come in here and type sort parenthesis dot reverse. Now it's saved and we got orange, mango, banana and apple in reverse order and sorted. Now let's find the highest number in an array. Just come in here and type 40, 40, 100, 1, 5, 25, comma and 10, and you can sort all of these numbers. Just come in here and type Math.MAX.APPLY parenthesis. It will receive two arguments. First I'm gonna say null, and second argument will be this array. Say I'm gonna call it points, and copy and paste it here. Hit save and we get 100 only, and this is the highest number of this array. Likewise, you can get the minimum number of this array. Just come in here and type min, hit save and we get 1. And that was all about sorting arrays. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.